Look at this little thing. Isn't she a beaut?
So hard to get in. There's a new tractor.
It's nice. I like it.
Oh yeah.
So 5-speed and a 3-speed shuttle shift, I guess. This is a 1989 Yanmar 2220D. It has just about 66 hours on it, almost 67 hours, after a complete overhaul and total restoration of the vehicle, or tractor, I guess. And he picked it up for just about $9,000. You'll have to back on. Oh, maybe not. Keep coming. You could come a little further. You have a little bit more. All right. Oh, that's good. That's perfect. Yeah.
Right there?
Yeah. There you go. Oh, that was weird. Cool. Got some little thin tires on her.
Oh, did they take the chase? I could have rotated that a little bit. What do you think? I think that's...
Well, the weight on the truck is good.
Yeah,
that's about where it needs to be.
Alright, well.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Loosen that fucker.
She's going in. Nice.
Damn it.
All right, we got a little red, I don't know what to call it yet. Bucket strapped down on the axles, and then also the rear implement strapped down. We're just tidying up, slipping right there underneath the tractor, or the trailer, and yeah, we'll be good to go. Very bright out here, so sorry about that. Here she goes. Professional treatment, baby. We smell burning pine needles. Oh man. She's home. All right, Rias, come on. times 650. Oh, so that's down. Oh, interesting.
Yeah,
It's a little backwards. So that's up.
That's up.
Oh, but all the way up is float. Wow.
This here too. So there's no this. It's either you gotta go all the way up and hold it to the up position or
Or down. Yeah.
there's no pick it up and hold it at a certain height. It's either up
Or down. Oh, weird. Okay.
It's kinda cool. I can change the RPM so easily. And I can also as low as it can go. I guess when I must have done it, I just did it so fast that
It killed it. Yeah.
I don't know why it does that.
Maybe have the clutch in when you kill it. Well, I fit, but she ain't for me. I gotta like, oh man. Whew. There. Shifter. Weird. And here's this shuttle shifter. So you're driving along and you have it first, but without shifting, without using the clutch, you can just go 2 or 3 for whatever speed you want, which is super unique. Up for reverse, down for 1, 2, 3. And this is interesting. So that is down, of course. This is up. But if you pull it all the way up, that's float. Instead of down all the way, it's up all the way. That's interesting. Not used to that. We got actual Japanese here on the board. That's interesting. I wonder what that is. Oh, water temperature probably? Interesting. But fuel and temp. Oh no, so that must be coolant warning maybe? Like maybe low coolant or something? Because obviously the temperature's right here. That's hard to see on the camera, but temperature's right there, fuel. Sweet. We got many hours on it.
Did you hear that? Right there. What was that?
That's him. That was the devil.
Since refurbished, of course. Ah, she's a beauty. That's like a shut-off.
I think this is a decompression.
Oh. It is decompression. Okay. It has a decompression switch. Wow. Huh. Hi, puppy. What's up? You surveying your land? on this shit. Nah. Oh, no, yeah, kinda. Oh, that's holding me. Let's see. Oh, did it get up to 10? Oh. Yeah, not quite.
I don't even know. It's gone up a little bit. Right now, if I go backwards,
it digs too much. I saw that, yeah. Ow.
So if I just turn the track on and rotate.
Yeah. Well, lift her up. Like that.
Just separation.
Yeah. Yeah, that bolt really needs to be tightened. It's throttle. It's just kind of bumpy, so it's... I'm sure it could push more, it just doesn't really have the traction. Yeah, clearly. It's working tons better if he just pulls. So we're gonna do that. Doesn't really have enough traction. Anytime the blade is sideways, it's just because it's so slick, it's just sliding the tractor like this with the angle of the blade. So it's not working super well with the angle through the snow.
Deja vu, I just been in this place before. I am on the street and I know it's my time to go.
Fucking bang. I don't know what this is.
I don't know if I've seen
This one right here. This one's a raise and lower, but this one doesn't say shit.
I don't know. Did you try using it when?
No, it might be like lockups, I swear.
Could be.
Okay, but it's not comfortable for very
Should get out another pad for it, maybe.
It's like a hit and miss almost.
Almost.
I'm surprised how knocky it is.
Not used to it.
Well, I'm used to liking it.
Well, there you have it. That is the Yanmar that he added to his collection. Nice, honestly, perfect sized tractor to work around the little property that he has, and yeah, good to go. And, well, I ain't got too much to say, but you have yourself a nice and lovely evening. Bye.